All right, we are starting our unit on financial literacy. So for today, we're going to talk about simple interest, and we have two formulas here. We need to talk about what all these letters represent, though. This capital I here is for your interest. This P and this P is for the principal. Sorry about that. I thought I wasn't recording the video. For the principal, that's like your amount you deposit or start with in the account, or like what value it has at the beginning. Okay. Your R is for rate, just like rate's been for in our exponential functions, and your T is for time. Okay, and that's going to be in years. The A, this one, is like the amount in the account. And we're going to say amount accrued, which just means like what's in the account after we've earned the interest. Okay, so we're going to look at a couple different examples. It says calculate the simple interest earned in 1 year. So 1 year is going to tell us our T. On a deposit, that's going to tell us our P if the interest rate is 4%. So now, with the interest rate, just like we had to do in our exponential functions, we have to change this into a decimal. So remember, with your calculators, there's two ways you can do that. We can type in 4, and we can use the percent key, which is above the 2. So you hit the green button and the 2, and it changes it to a decimal for you. Or the other way you can do that is to change something into a percent. You just divide by 100. So we say 4 divided by 100, and we get 0.04. Either way, you get the same answer. So now we've got our T, our P, and our R, and we're just finding interest. So if all we want is interest, we're going to use this formula. I equals PRT. Our P is 500. Our R is 0.04, and our T is 1. So this is just straight multiplication. Multiply all these values together. And we've got 20. Okay, so we're doing dollars. So this is $20. Okay. All right, number 2, convert the following to years. So we know that I think we know, but we might need to write this down if we don't know. There are 12 months in 1 year. There are 365 days in 1 year, and there are 52 weeks in 1 year. So if you don't know those calculations, those are important to have when we do these financial questions. So when I have 27 months, I need to change that into years. So if there's 12 months in 1 year, I'm going to take 27 and divide it by 12. Okay, so 27 divided by 12, and we get 2.25. 511 days, so I'm going to divide that by 365 days. So again, you're just doing this on your calculator. 511 divided by 365, and I get 1.4. Okay, and then 65 weeks, I'm going to divide that by 52, since there's 52 weeks in a year, and we get 1.25. So 1.25 years. Okay, then we're going to move on to example 3.